Hello friends. Today I'm going to share about positive pay system which will be brought into action from January 1, 2021. So as many aspirants are joining banks in SBI, okay, this will be implemented by SBI, State Bank of India, and so many aspirants will going to join, and you will have to know about positive pay system. Now I have read about positive pay system, and I felt that it was actually useless because we take each and every step to ensure that there is no fraud for any kind of check payments. Now still it has been made in a proper manner that a check is not fraud, or it is not a fraud payment that is taking place. So what is it generally? It has been said that as per RBI guidelines, we are introducing the positive pay system to ensure added security, where check issuer now needs to provide details such as account number, check amount, check date, payee name with respect to check payments. Now you see this thing, as SBI said in its website, we ensure it from now only. It's not that we are not ensuring this, we ensure everything, we take additional steps. Now if you take a check, and if you are trying to um, pay someone, so definitely we check that check whether it is genuine or not. So we see the genuineness of that check. That is the first step. After that, we see what is written over there, what is written over there in words, what is written over there in digits. We see the date, we see the name, and also we see the signature. So these are common things. Okay, apart from it, also we see the MICR code, which is very important. So if you see a check, at this point I am not having a check, we do um, internet banking. Okay, so we are using Yono. Many people don't know about Yono. Yes, many people are not satisfied with Yono because it is in a beta phase. You will have to understand what is beta phase. It is not totally made. We face problems at times. We will have to admit that. And why do we face that? Because we are having such a huge server. SBI is not a small bank like HDFC or ICICI. Yes, they are big banks, but they are huge in terms of volume of money, but they are not so much big as volume of customers. We are having a huge volume of customers. So if I come to this, what is this positive pay system? So as it has been said that you will have to provide account number, check amount, check date, pay name, and check payments. So definitely someone who is coming to um, withdraw a check, they will have to know each and every pay details. Okay, so this is an additional uh, you know uh, additional checking process before paying someone, or if we are trying to transfer that amount to someone else. So generally we do all these things. This is just you can say that this is according to the guidelines. Actually it has been provided, but from internal purpose, when we are doing it in our bank, we genuinely we check this beforehand. So this is nothing new. You don't have to We don't have to think about this. We do it properly, we check it very properly. Yes. And apart from this, there is also as we are as it has been said that it is another security layer. We are always trying to make the checks, let's say, negotiable instrument. Okay, this is a negotiable instrument. Your notes, I mean the money that you are using, 10 rupee notes, 20 rupee notes. All these are negotiable instruments. These are what is negotiable instrument, where you can actually have a payment, and you can actually show that yes, with this instrument I can actually be paid some money, I can get some money so that I can use it. Sorry for the mosquitoes. Okay. Okay. So generally these checks will be issued, and you will have to follow these rules. All the customers will have to follow these rules. The people who will be going to join the bank, they will know it instantly. Generally we do it, but yet I will have to say another thing, that RBI gives certain guidelines, and we will our father is RBI. Okay, so definitely we will have to use this properly. Now I would like to come another point. Well, I will have to cover another point. I'm saying, okay, I'm covering another point, that is about GIC, GICRE. One of my friend actually asked about whether he, or I think, I don't know, whether he should leave GICRE. So GICRE chairman had actually said that there will be a sea of change in insurance market. So if you are actually updated with the news, so you can actually see whether what is actually reinsurance, okay, and what is going to happen. So insurance is something which many players are now there in market. So insurance companies will be there. Don't be you should not be skeptical about it. Okay, you should take it positively, and because the insurers are there to give you a positive benefit for it. Yes, insurance are done for a long term. It's not about, I mean 1 or 2 years. If you are having some if you are having some, you know, if you any kind of small term goals, okay, then you should not be in giving money, and you should not be investing money on it. But yes, if you are having a long term plan, definitely you should go for insurance. And I'm not saying about reinsurance, okay, this is totally a different thing. Okay, you should go for insurance. I will be covering more on insurance and other mutual funds, okay, because many people don't know about this products. They are much aware of FD, RD, I mean the fixed deposit, recurring deposit. So definitely these products, I mean the mutual funds and life in the life insurances. So we should know about more about this, and which will be better and which will be good. I will not go into it definitely. I will go into the details of insurance and how these insurance companies work, how do they make money. So definitely I may bring out some videos on that. This will also enhance my knowledge, okay, and apart from it, it will also enhance your knowledge too. So the most important thing was for that, I'm forgetting this, positive pay system. So positive pay system will be implemented from January 1 2021. And so for one check you will have to check so many things when someone will be going to pay a check. So someone who is going to be a cashier, they will have to check more on this. Apart from that, as if you know how a check is actually verified whether it is genuine or not, so there is water droplet test, there is UV test, and there is also um, contact number, whether you will be contacting the person who is actually presenting that check to. So if there is a high value payment, now it's also being said that it will be made for payments above 50,000. Generally there is a pan card verification, but apart from that, the pan card verification is actually done for you know, for taxations, okay. But above 50,000, it's a genuine thing, it's a genuine problem that we face. And apart from this, if you see, I will come to Yono platforms too, how Yono Cash works, and some SBI features that actually I will try to make you people understand, because many customers, because you people can also be a customer of SBI. So, and many other banks, I cannot say about other banks because I am not in that bank. So you can know about these features too. But at this moment, I am actually talking about positive pay system. This will be another layer of security which will be there. Yes. One of the very important thing that I would love to say is that in various branches you may see that there are different kind of rules. You went to one bank, one branch of SBI, you may see that there is some other rules that is being followed. You may go to another branch, you may see, oh, what happened, I came here and it is totally different. आप कहेंगे कि मैं तो वहाँ पर गया था, तो वहाँ पे तो ऐसा वो नहीं था, तो वो बोलेंगे नहीं यहाँ पे ऐसा है. So what is the actually happening over there? It's nothing about the rules and guidelines. They are actually following the guidelines, but basic guidelines. In one or two things, they are adding some more security into it. So we genuinely see whether it's something which is important or not. So that's how it works. And about positive pay system, it is nothing new. We are actually doing it. We are actually asking people to write their name, their phone number, their to whom they are actually paying. So we are going according to Negotiable Instruments Act 1881. Okay. So we are taking each and every step. So this is nothing new. That's what I can actually say. Apart from that, okay, I will come to another thing. Many people are actually giving have been selected for SBI Junior Associates 2020. So and some of them have some of them are actually asking about some certificates and what are the documents that they will have to take. I would say that you need every documents that you are having, starting from birth certificate till now, anything, everything, your registration certificate, your admit card of class 10, 12, everything, your passing certificate, your marks sheets, the medical reports, everything. So you need each and every documents for this. This is an exam. I can share one experience with that. After that, I can actually bid at you. I have seen that when I went to give CGL, SSC CGL 2000, I think 19, it was 2019. It was just a matter of you know I wanted to see how this exam is, what is the level of the exam. That was just you know I wanted to give it just out of fun. So I went there and I saw that there was one girl who didn't have the birth date of the Aadhaar card, which was matched with which was not matching with the the admit card. So she was asked actually whether she can produce it or not, but she was unable to produce it and she missed that exam. Think about this, that if you are missing 1 year of that exam. SSC CGL, SSC CHSL, this happens once in a year, and then after that there are so many legal procedures that happens. But in banking you are having so many chances, but still SBIJ, it is happening once in a year. It may take, maybe we don't know about the future, maybe tomorrow it may not happen. So definitely um, you should always be aware of each and everything. When in admit cards, always read admit cards, because this is one of the most important thing. Read each and every line when in document verifications, when they will be given. Read each and every line, what they are trying to convey, what they are trying to say. If you are not being able to understand, ask them. So that's what I can say. With it, I am bidding adieu for the day. Best of luck for upcoming exams people are giving, and that's it. Bye bye.